Get a feel for the 2011 Hyundai Sonata. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 100,000 miles on the odometer. Get the best of quality, comfort, and convenience in this family-friendly Sonata. This stylish midsize four-door sedan offers the advanced safety features, smooth performance, and passenger amenities you need to make every drive pure pleasure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: proximity key entry, moonroof, sun moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, heated rear seat, fog lamps, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Feel a new sense of confidence every time you take the wheel of this well-built, smooth-riding Sonata. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.